How to add quantity on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how we can add quantity on Mercari. So here's how to go about it. For you to add quantity on Mercari, you need to list each item individually. Since Mercari doesn't currently support listing multiple quantity of the same item in one listing. So this is how you can add quantity. Once you're logged into your Mercari's account, move to the top right corner and click on Sell. By clicking on Sell, you'll be taken to the listing page. So once you're on the listing page, the next step will be for you to follow the steps on the screen to list your item. That is, follow the steps on your screen after you've clicked on Sell to list your item, including uploading photos, writing a description, and setting a price. Alright, and then once you've done that, repeat the listing process for each additional quantity of the item you have, and this way each item will be listed separately and buyers can purchase them individually, and then that way quantity has been added to them. So that is how you can add quantity on Mercari. It's not difficult. Just ensure that you list each item individually, and that way buyers can purchase them individually and you are good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.